Yep. Okay. Now we all hear Miss Elsa. Happy faces. Lucas. Suche. Rusia. Oh, Rusia. You have to make happy face too. You can bring mom. Yeah, okay. So what we wanna do, we wanna make a video for you guys about how we learn bass clef notes. So who can first of all oops, hold for me. Who can explain me, guys, what is this?
Treble clef.
Treble clef. Okay. Why we have this treble clef? What for?
Right hand.
Right hand is too simple. There's more into it. Just right hand. Lucas. For the high notes. So we can play those notes with left hand too. There's no any rules against it. So it's for the high notes. Treble means high from Italian language. And bass, low notes. Those notes in
Left hand.
okay, simple way to say left hand, right hand, but correct way, high notes,
low notes and high notes.
And low notes. Yes. Now, I wanna get a couple notes and pair them up. I'm gonna get one note in a treble clef, this one, and the same looking note, which is between first and second lines, the same looking note. Okay, Suche is gonna hold for us like this, close to each other. Yes. So now we're gonna discuss how we're gonna find the bass clef note, knowing what is the treble clef note. Lucas, what is the note in the treble clef?
F.
F, correct, F. And Suche is gonna explain how we can, we should make some trick, right? We can, and figure out the note in a bass clef. Can you teach us?
So basically, how to find the note in the bass clef is going one or two notes above. So one note above F is G. And then since we're using two notes, another note above G is A. So that's the magic trick in piano, how we find.
Exactly. So the note name in the bass clef will be A. Very good. Let's practice us another pair and just show. Okay, guys. Lucas, you grab this one, treble clef, and Suche is gonna hold that one in the bass clef and show the audience the notes. You can get a little bit closer so they would see, compare these two notes, right? Lucas, tell us the name of your note.
D.
D. And Suche is gonna use this trick, and his note will be
F.
F. We are going up 2 steps, like he said, or we can just skip one note, which brings us to F if we jump over E. Okay, one more pair. Suche, bring the cards, and after that we're gonna teach you how to find the notes on the piano. Okay, so Lucas, what is your note? B. Very good, B. And Suche, with the magic trick,
It becomes D.
Become D. Okay, let's leave this B and D on the piano and talk about how we're gonna find out. Okay, very good. Play, Lucas. This is our high B. Play. Good. And Suche, what do you say, how we can find the bass clef note?
So, like how I said, two notes above.
Okay, we found the letter. We found the name of the note. Now, how to find specifically this note, which is D, because we have so many Ds. Which one D?
So normally what I think is that if it's above this this very like top line, then that means it's going to be it's going to be some of the high notes. So since D is above like this small line over here, that means it's crossed and is going to the high notes. So that means high notes are starting from middle C. So
Okay, good point. So he meant it's a bass clef, but it's still high note because it's sitting above our staff in a ledger line. So it is definitely not low bass note, it's high. It's a good point. But in general, just remember these two notes in the treble clef and the bass clef, they're related by distance around about how many octaves apart?
2 octaves.
2 octaves apart. So if this B is here, bass note is here, so it makes almost 2 octaves apart. So it's not like this, it's not like that, it's 2 octaves apart. Did we explain everything? I think we did,
I think
right?
so.
Okay, one more pattern we're gonna practice. You guys find for me the location on the piano, okay? Lucas, treble clef note, find, play. Good, F. It was F treble clef. Suche is gonna have a bass clef, this note, and let's see how he will figure out the name and the location of that note. Skip up from F, it would be
A.
A. Now this was F, 2 octaves apart makes exactly. So this F in treble clef and A is in bass clef. So we hope we help someone who will gonna watch us, right? We're gonna say goodbye. Happy learning of bass clef notes. Okay, Lucas, go and press the red button gently.